I researched car seat covers and canopies looking for the ones that provide the best protection against the cold weather and a nice sleeping environment for babies. The best covers are truly versatile, offering more benefits than you may have guessed, based on the above factors and parents' reviews. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best winter car seat cover in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Stretchy baby car seat covers for boys, girls. The Acrabro Stretchy Baby Car Seat Cover is a breathable, yet warm baby car seat cover with a patented design. It is available in 6 different designs, both for boys and girls. This baby car seat cover is the best of both worlds. It is warm enough for cold days and light enough on hot days. The double zippers help with getting baby in and out of the car seat, in addition to giving you more control of temperature and how much of the outside elements you want to let in. With outside snaps, strong winds won't blow this cover off. Patented stylish baby car seat covers for boys and girls fit your baby car seat in just seconds. Perfect for napping during outings. Adjustable opening with 2 zippers allow mom to take a peep at baby and easily remove baby without taking the baby car seat covers off. You can adjust zippers of infant car seat covers in order to modify light, visibility, and temperature. Universal fit and easy install. The stretch fabric and 4 snaps fit on most baby car seats. Snaps keep infant car seat covers in place. Space saver pouch. Acrabros baby car seat covers fold into compact square and fit securely into the head flap pouch for easy storage. Portable easy carry with hanging loop. Perfect gift. Get Acrabros versatile baby car seat cover as an amazing gift for a baby shower, a mom-to-be, or a new mom. It will quickly become mom's most loved essential. Number 2. Cozy Cover Infant Car Seat Cover. The Cozy Cover Infant Car Seat Cover is a great car seat cover for keeping baby warm and protected from the wind, rain, and cold. With outside zippers, parents are able to easily get their child in and out of the car seat without removing the cover completely. The warm material of the cover helps keep baby warm, which is really convenient for travel. Rather than layering baby up to go outside and then baby potentially getting hot inside the car, you can simply use this car seat cover to protect them from inside the house to the car and back. Also great for stroller rides. Keeps baby protected, warm and cozy. The warm outer shell baby car seat cover is weather resistant and insulates your child from wind, snow, ice, and rain. Can be used from birth through to 12 months. Fits all standard baby carriers. The unique shower cap style elasticized edge design makes fitting your cozy cover a breeze. You just gently stretch and pull to place it on in seconds. The great thing is it doesn't interfere with child safety straps, so putting it in the car is a breeze also. Number 3. Kids and Such Peekaboo Baby Car. The Kids and Such 2-in-1 car seat canopy and nursing cover-up is budget-friendly with a simple, gender-neutral, cute design. The style of the cover is almost like a soft baby blanket with snaps, unlike the stretchy canopy version of a car seat cover. This cover creates a dark place for your little one to take a nap, whether traveling or just at the grocery store. I like the snaps that connect this cover to the handle of the car seat. This keeps the cover from laying directly on your baby. It also has a convenient peekaboo opening that is helpful when used as car seat cover and while nursing your little one in public. It is very easy to get your baby in and out of the car seat with this cover fully attached. Because of the design of the cover, it will likely fit almost any car seat on the market. It simply drapes over the seat and covers your little one without it touching the baby directly. Kids and Such is a trusted brand, and they say that this cover can protect your little one from nosy strangers and germs, rain, insects, sunshine and bright lights, heat and cold, wind, dirt, sand, and dust. You could use this cover as a blanket for your little one if you found yourself without one on hand. It is soft and cozy. The company provides a 100% money-back guarantee like some others on our list. Number 4. Nursing Cover Breastfeeding Scarf. The yofoss car seat cover is a very budget-friendly, multiple-use baby car seat cover. You can also use it for privacy as a breastfeeding cover. To protect your little one from germs when picking up your grocery, it works well as a shopping cart cover. While at a restaurant, it can serve as a high chair cover. When your baby does not need it, this cover can even be an infinity scarf for mom. Parents say the install is simple, and when used to cover the car seat, it easily stretches over most infant car seats. One of my favorite features is that it serves as a baby sunshade and blackout blind. Red Heart multi-use covers can use as baby car seat cover, nursing breastfeeding cover, shopping cart cover, high chair cover, infinity scarf, light blanket, stroller cover, which is a must-have for every mother. Red Heart premium fabric made of lightweight and soft fabric which maximize airflow for a relaxed experience, offers the ultimate comfort for both mom and baby. Red Heart Full Coverage. Our nursing cover provides 360 full worry-free coverage while nursing. Even if you are breastfeeding in a public place, you don't have to worry about embarrassing problems. Number 5. yofoss Baby Car Seat Cover Winter. Baby protection. The car seat cover features with elastic bands at the bottom. It fits car seat carrier and standard stroller well. Protect your baby from the elements and chilly weather. Winter car seat cover. Weather-resistant nylon blocks wind and rain. Soft fleece cover keep out the cold. Way more convenient than keep a blanket on and more comfortable than using a coat or snowsuit. Smart design. Easy to secure baby in the car seat carrier without take off the cover. You can freely unzip the flap or roll the top its side to adapt temperature change. Perfect choice for baby shower. Patented car seat cover for baby boy and girl fits in your baby car seat in seconds. A necessity for napping during outings. Great baby shower choice for new mom. Utility and stylish. The 3 magnetic buttons on the flap of the baby car seat cover can adjust the opening so that you can see your baby whenever and ensure the privacy protection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem, comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.